two leading landing page platforms loved by marketers everywhere, but only one can take the crown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Unbounce, smart, flexible landing pages for every marketer. And on the right, Instapage. High-converting, pixel-perfect landing pages. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So before we get hands-on, here's how we're gonna break it down. Our main focus: price, design, flexibility and templates, features and customization, ease of use, integrations, and of course, conversion optimization. Got all that mapped out? Sweet, let's roll. Let's kick off with price because seriously, nobody wants to empty their wallet over landing pages, right? So first up, Unbounce. The plans here are way easier on your finances, starting at just $81 a month if you go annual. Nice variety of plans too, so you can pick depending on how big your crew or campaign is. Although watch out for those conversion and visitor limits per tier. Now switching over to Instapage. Honestly, the price jumps up fast, like their standard plan is $149 per month annual, so you feel that sting a bit. On the plus side, you get unlimited conversions on their core plan, but anything custom. Yeah, you've gotta reach out to sales, kind of a buzzkill. So if we're calling a winner here, Unbounce definitely sneaks ahead for affordability. Alright, now let's talk design, flexibility, and templates. So Unbounce rolls in with over 100 templates and the classic drag-and-drop builder. Pretty quick and simple, especially with their AI smart builder. Seriously, just a couple clicks and you've got a page going. If I'm being honest though, the templates look a bit less modern compared to what's out there lately. Now let's hop over to Instapage. This is where things get interesting. You've got 500 plus layout options, 90 plus super modern full page templates, and a whole bunch of design perks like snapping, grouping, and even locking the aspect ratios. It's like design geek heaven, even if the editors got a bit of a learning curve. So for design lovers, Instapage takes the crown here. Next up, features and customization. So Unbounce brings the AI guns, smart traffic for optimizing who sees what, smart copy if you want to whip up multi-language versions, and solid A/B testing baked in. But if you're fussy about every little pixel, you might feel a bit limited here. Now Instapage. Woo, the Instablocks are super handy for reusable sections, and honestly their heat maps and personalization stuff are next level. You even get that fancy Thor render engine for lightning-fast pages. Yes, some advanced features only come on the spendier plans, but still, customization here is wild. Overall, Instapage wins in power and flexibility. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Instapage's heat maps can show you exactly where your visitors are clicking, scrolling, and, well, zoning in? If you're obsessed with tweaking layouts for higher ROI, those heat maps can be super revealing. Okay, ease of use. If you're just starting, Unbounce is kinda perfect. Super intuitive, easy to navigate, and you get pages up and running crazy fast with templates or the AI builder. It's pretty beginner-friendly. The only snag: super detailed custom tweaks aren't quite Instapage level. But then, Instapage, yeah, the editor is packed with features, and if you're a seasoned marketer, you'll love it. For a newbie though, it's a bit much and you might feel lost at first. So the winner here, definitely Unbounce for keeping things painless. Up next, integrations here, where Unbounce shines again. They've got almost every major platform: Google Ads, Analytics, Zapier, HubSpot, the works. You can just plug stuff in and go. Instapage is solid, but honestly, it's more about quality than quantity. You get robust connections, but there's just fewer options overall. So if you like everything working together, Unbounce is the clear winner in this round. And finally, conversion optimization. Both tools come packed for this one. Unbounce's smart traffic AI literally sends visitors to whichever design is winning. Pretty slick if you want real results. Plus, you get A/B and even multivariate testing straight out of the box. Instapage, also seriously strong. You've got built-in A/B testing, those heat maps to scope out where people are actually clicking, and even personalization tools that let you tailor the page to each visitor. Honestly, both platforms are top-notch for getting those conversions up, so gotta call it a tie. So if we pop all of this on a radar chart, Unbounce really dominates price, ease of use, and integrations, while Instapage surges ahead in design and features. Both crush it when it comes to conversion tools. So what's the verdict? If you want a landing page tool that's affordable, easy for starters, and still packs smart AI, Unbounce is basically your go-to. But if you're craving that pixel-perfect design control, next-level analytics, and don't mind spending more, Instapage is unbeatable. It really depends what matters most for you: budget, speed, or ultimate customization. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.